Hello, guys, from the beautiful eastern shore of Maryland in the United States. Happy Labor Day. It is Sunday, September 3rd, 2023. This is my personal video trade journal for my own continuing education, and I'm sharing it for your entertainment, not to be taken as advice. All right, so I'm primarily a day trader, scalper. I wish I could have had a swing trade. I could not figure out how to get an entry to have a profound swing long. No, don't do that. I didn't do that. Couldn't figure out how to get an entry. And even lately over here, like last week, I scalped three scalps. First one was short, the next two were long, successful scalps. Could not figure out how to get back on the bus. When something is going parabolic, I'm not going to go long and stay long in the middle of it. It's just not advisable. I learned those lessons already. So I missed it. Fine. Okay, so let's just look at this beautiful structure. 1, 2, 3. The way I'm counting it, the 3 got above the 1, 6, 1, 8. Listen, I've changed how I counted this 3 times back and forth. Does it really matter to the way I trade? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. The structure is what it is. 1, 2, 3. This wave 4 is actually perfection. At this zoomed out level, wave 4 perfect, and this is clearly the wave 3, and it's just extended wildly, which is why I'm not long, because I took the gains already. This thing is extended beyond what anyone would reasonably trade for if you're using Fibonacci and Elliott wave. So this is just extended crazy. So what I'm doing, my plan for this week is to take, I'm a scalper now, so don't go crazy, but I'm going to be shorting. Oh, yeah. Why would I do that? Well, because look how crazy this extension is. Look, this is a wave 3, meaning this is the bottom of wave 4. This is the 1, 2, and this wave 3 is now above the 2, 6, 1, 8. That's a crazy extension, way beyond standards. Nobody, if you're planning to trade that, show me how do you plan to trade a wave 3 to above the 2, 6, 1, 8. I'll wait. So anyway, this is going to come down at some point. And what I'm going to do, my plan is, since given how, look at these technicals on the day trade chart, totally embedded to the upside. Negative divergence doesn't produce much. Negative divergence doesn't produce much. Negative divergence here just gets ignored by price and blown through like a freaking bat out of hell. So I'm stepping aside because I'm not long. I'm not going to long in the middle of that. So just step aside and wait for this thing to give up. And the next fib up would be 86.72. But I'll be surprised by nothing, including a gap up at the open and a crazy spike. I might short one contract if it does that. But really, the prudent thing to do is to wait for this to start giving up and making some corrective overlapping action. Reversal. This technicals are saying this is where you could start looking for a reversal. And then I'm going to jump on the short bus, just a scalp, and I'll measure this again if it goes higher, which I will not be surprised by. Measure this again. This will be the target box. And so in this environment, almost at any degree, if I'm scalping for wave 4, I take it off at the 2, 3, 6, most of it, and then leave it on a bit and lower the stops, do prudent risk management at that point. But I'll leave it on, but I'll take half of it off at the 2, 3, 6. So that's my plan. Look at these technicals at the 34-minute. Now, you could, look at the technicals here on the 4-hour. Look at this RSI. Is it embedded? Can it keep going? Of course it can. But it's much more likely that you're going to get some kind of a pullback, just not a huge one, just a wave 4, 236, 382. I'm going to be trading for that. And then the real short for a juicy scalp will be up here, because if this makes it up into this box, the next pullback is going to be the next big clue. Could this possibly still be a giant C wave? I guess, but I don't need to know about that. All I'm saying is I'm going to short, and then I'm going to long, and then I'm going to short. That's the plan. The next pullback after we get up into this box is really going to be the next important clue. All right. Good luck, guys. See ya. Enjoy your beautiful day.